Okay, let's do a quick demo of Openstack Unshelver. So this is a web app based on fast HTML that uses GitHub for authentication and then uses the Openstack SDK to communicate with the Openstack API and manage pre-existing instances. So this is meant to be, of course, deployed on a server, but for testing purposes, I'm just running it locally. So once the app is starting, we can connect to it on localhost, and then we can redirect to GitHub for login. And after login, and I'm also checking for membership to an organization, which can be configured in a YAML file. And also in the YAML file contains also all different virtual machines that we can monitor. So I haven't implemented yet the shelving feature. For now, it only does the unshelving step. Okay, so we have this instance, which is just a simple web server. It's a CAD default deployment. And on top of that, I also implemented the health endpoint, which returns a JSON that says status healthy. And so what we can do is we click on shelve start. So this is useful if you have a service that you don't need all the time, and so you have a simple interface that you can spawn that service really quickly, because a JStream instance takes just 1 minute or two to unshelve, and so after that it's just the time for your application to start. So it's pretty efficient. And so under the hood, this is using the OpenStack SDK to unshelve the instance, and then it's going to check the health endpoint every 10 seconds to wait for the service to become available. So you see now the instance, it's probably ready. Here it is. It's ready, but the service is not available yet. And we are gonna wait another few seconds, and then here we go. So now instance status is active, and we can click on open web app to access the service, which in this case is just the CAD simple status page, but can be an LLM deployed with web UI or some other useful web services.